Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com, and this video is for Sam in Virginia. Okay, Sam, so here's your unit. It's been energized for quite a long time, actually. Over the weekend I just had it on the bench. I was just doing other things, so today I'm finished with the unit. Let me show you the temperatures. So as you can see, the unit is warm, so that tells you that unit has been energized for quite a long time, because it takes a while for these throttle bodies to warm up to these temperatures. For comparison, this is a cold unit. As you can see, room temperature right now is 68, 69, somewhere around 70 degrees, and this one gets up to 103. Obviously at certain spots, because there's a clutch coil here and there's a motor over there, so all of these create the most heat, and the rest of the case dissipates the heat. So unit has been energized for a long time. And then I'm gonna show you the actual values. You can see linkage is extremely fluid, very nice, effortless, very nice. As you can see, I can move it with little to no effort, and that's important, so it doesn't bind or anything. Activation is fast and swift. No binding here. Very good. Let's take a look at the live data. This is a nice unit, actually. I mean, there are some indentations here. This is embedded in aluminum already, so it's some rust and corrosion, and that I don't want to really sand down. I want to leave it as is. I don't like to sand down all these areas. If they don't clean off, I'll leave them as is, because I don't, like I said, I don't like to use any kind of harsh methods. These areas are polished. This is it's machined and polished, so you don't really want to mess with that. So that's where I am. Okay, so let's take a look at our live readings here. So first one, 4.25, that's average that I get. The readings usually show always the same with particular control module I'm using. Your readings might change if you use Star Diagnostic, because you will be using V8. I'm using the 6-cylinder unit, so therefore it's different. But 4.25 is all these test units come up with. 0.47, 0.47, this is about the mid-range where it's supposed to be. 0.4 to 0.6 is the range, and it sits at 0.47, which is great. Micro switches activation. We open the throttle, they're supposed to switch over. See, they switch over. They might jump around, again, no big deal. That's a software limitation, but since once they jump over, then you can tell that micro switches inside the throttle work fine. Voltages just tell us that the potentiometers also track properly, they read properly. So as you can see, we open the throttle plate, voltages follow. So this is basically where I am with it. The wires were really bad, and I had to work around the entry point because this was not here, it was broken. So I had to reinsert it and reseal it, and well, I had to do my work, you know. I had to do what I have to do. Brand new cables, the plug and everything is on point. Underside of the unit looks really nice. I had to realign the plate a little bit, and the whole unit, like I said, is in really good condition. Yes, you will see some indentation of some dirt and corrosion and a little bit of you know, just because, you know, it's just the unit is 1994 or 1995, but for the age it looks really good, cleaned off really nice as well. I really like this one. Even a PCV system is, the pipe and internals of the pipe they're clean. I mean, this is nice. I mean, I can tell that it feels like it came from a really nice clean car. So this is where we wanted to basically have all the wires and throttle body overlooked, just to make sure that it works. But your wires were terrible, so you could have not installed that throttle body back by any means necessary. So now it's ready to go. Okay, so this is deactivated unit. activated unit. Like I said, I had it on bench for many hours, no problems with it. Okay, so this is it. This unit is basically finished and ready to go. So I'll send you this video and I'll call you and we'll discuss logistics and payment, and you'll be ready for mailing. Alright, again, this is Victor at throttle and thank you for watching.